Are you experiencing weak Wi-Fi signals at your home? Then here are things in your home that can block or obstruct Wi-Fi signals. Check this out. This is the Windows Club. Everyone wants to have a strong Wi-Fi signal throughout their home. Folks want to ensure that no matter which space they enter, their Wi-Fi will be strong as ever. But that is very difficult to achieve since the home itself is aiding in the degradation of the Wi-Fi signal. You see, our homes are made of different types of materials and some of them will cause Wi-Fi problems. The same goes for the decorations we choose to beautify the dwelling. Now, we are not going to tell you what materials to use when building a home or the types of decors to purchase. This video explains what can cause your Wi-Fi signal to fluctuate, which in turn causes a slow wireless internet connection. Let's get started. Method 1. Fish tanks. If you have one or more fish tanks in your home, then chances are we have found the reason why your Wi-Fi signal is so weak. For those who aren't aware, water is very effective at blocking signals. So if you have your Wi-Fi router close to a fish tank, you should remove it right away. Method 2. Mirrors. Mirrors do interfere with Wi-Fi signals surprisingly enough. The problem here is the coating that transforms glass into a mirror. From our understanding, the coating is metallic, and metals and your Wi-Fi signals do not work well together. Note that larger mirrors will have a greater impact than smaller and older ones, so keep that in mind. Method 3. Concrete walls. Many houses around the world are built using concrete structures and maybe yours is no different. If that is the case, it could be the reason why your Wi-Fi signal is weaker than expected. This is because signals of any kind find it very difficult to pass through concrete walls and floors, especially if they are thickly designed. You can move your router to open space rather than behind a wall for better Wi-Fi signal penetration throughout the house. Method 4. Analog video senders. Those who have analog video sender devices tucked away in their homes should consider the possibility they are causing problems for Wi-Fi. These devices are usually wireless security cameras or anything that can transmit pictures and videos via satellite or cable to a computer monitor or TV. Because they have a wide reach, they can affect your neighbor's Wi-Fi signal, and if your neighbor has one, it can affect yours. Method 5. Home appliances. Because large household appliances are made out of metallic and electrical components, they can definitely obstruct your Wi-Fi signal. The best thing to do here is to move your router from being in close proximity to your appliances, especially the refrigerator, since it is usually the largest. Method 6. Books and bookshelves. A bookshelf by itself is not much of a problem, but when it is populated with books, that's when you may face problems with your Wi-Fi. You see, books are very dense, and when multiple books are close to each other, you have basically created a large signal dampener. To solve this problem, avoid placing your router on a bookshelf that is heavily occupied with books. Method 7. Metal decorations. If you have a lot of metal decorations placed around your home, then you must ensure that they do not surround the router. This may cause major problems where the Wi-Fi signal penetrates one section but fails to do the same for other parts of the house. Wi-Fi extenders, if placed in the same position, will not help either. So please keep all of this in mind. Method 8. Metal blinds. We have come to understand that metal blinds can cause issues with Wi-Fi signal penetration ability. If you are outside but unable to connect properly to your Wi-Fi, then the metal blinds over the window could be the cause. To solve this issue, then, we suggest removing the metal blinds in favor of non-metallic options. You can also consider keeping the blinds up whenever you are outside to see if that helps in any meaningful way. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.